By the end of this video, you will know how to import W-2 on TurboTax. Start from your TurboTax account while you are already signed in and open your current tax return. This takes you into the return you are actively working on, so the W-2 information you import goes to the correct filing session. Once the return is open, look to the left-hand menu and click Federal. This opens the Federal Tax section, where TurboTax groups income, deductions, and other return details. Under Federal, click Income, then choose Wages and Income Summary. That brings you to the area where earned income sources are listed. On the Your Income and Expenses page, find a section labeled Wages and Salaries, Form W-2, and click Revisit. If you have entered wage details before, this is the option that takes you back into the W-2 section instead of starting somewhere else in the return. On the screen that says We will start with your W-2, select Work on my W-2, then click Continue. This moves you from the summary screen into the import process. Next, TurboTax will show the W-2 autofill screen. Here, look at your paper or digital W-2 and find box B. In that box, you will see your employer identification number, also called the EIN or Federal ID. Enter that number into TurboTax exactly as it appears on the form. This detail matters because TurboTax uses it to locate the employer record connected to your W-2. Make sure you are reading box B, since other numbers on the form can look similar at a glance. After entering the EIN or Federal ID, click Continue. TurboTax will then use the employer information to try to import your W-2 details automatically. Depending on the employer and how the form is available, this may take a moment to process. When the import begins, follow the prompts on screen to complete it. TurboTax may ask you to confirm details connected to the employer before it brings in the form data. Continue through each prompt as it appears. Once the W-2 information has been imported, review the entries carefully in your return. Compare the imported wages, withholding, and any other visible details against the W-2 you have in front of you. The goal here is to make sure the imported information matches the form you receive from your employer before you move on to the next part of your return. If everything looks correct, you can leave the W-2 section and continue working through your tax return in TurboTax. Thanks for watching. Your W-2 information is now imported into your TurboTax return.